100.4 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh, jeez. Poor kitty. All right, 102 in 30 seconds, so that's heart rate's 204. Respiration is. Poor kitty. All right, 20 breaths in 30 seconds, so respiration rate is 40 in a minute, 40 breaths per minute. Pulse and heart rate are the same, but we can see if we can get a femoral pulse. Femoral artery pulse is 102 in 30 seconds, 204 in strong pulses. I think that's it for this one, right?